Now that we know how to enter time, spare parts and costs made during repair, we can also explore the possibilities of standard service codes. So look for standard service codes in Dynamics NAV. You can open it up and then you get the list of all standard service codes. In this case it's blank, so we need to create a new one. You see you need to give it a code. For instance, we can say periodic maintenance. We fill that in here, periodic maintenance. You can add a currency code to it, and then here you can make templates of specific costs. So you can say in a periodic maintenance we're going to consume a specific spare part. You can say we are going to consume specific resource costs. And let's have a look here. For instance, Linda, you can say it's 5 hours. Then we can also say we're going to add some costs here, like an administrative cost, for instance, and the starting fee. Voila. And then we have created a template of costs, which is called a standard service code. And during repair, we can enter these templates of costs. And what is the benefit of that is, of course, it's standardized. You don't need to make all these entries yourself. Maybe you have recurring maintenance, which always consumes kind of the same components, for instance. Then you can make these templates of costs. So how do these standard service codes work? Well, to check that, we can take this service order as an example. You see a service order for the Canon group, and on the lines you will see that we have, again, our dishwasher. Normally what I would do is go to order, then service lines, and then start to fill in the hours and consumption of spare parts automatically. You can see now there are no registrations here. I'm going to follow a different process. I'm going to use the standard service codes, and to do so I have to click on functions. Once you do that, you see then here you have a function which is called get standard service codes. Now you don't see any standard service code. Why? Because there is a filter in place. Which filter? A filter on the service item group. Now we did not link this template with a service item group code, so that's why the filter filtered away actually any result. So by removing the filter, you have your standard service code here. We're going to execute that by clicking on OK. And then let's have a look what the result is. I'm going to click on order, service lines, and now you will see that I get my 2 lines which are in the template, in the standard service code template, a line for item and a line for resource. So by using standard service codes, you can upload templates of costs on your service lines.